Hello my guys, how are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome trade. Okay, today I'm going to show you the binary, my system setup, how you will trade using my system. Okay, first of all, let's focus on watching my chart and I will tell you. Okay, but first of all, you have to let me open this pair, boom 500. Okay, first of all, you have to watch some things. Once you see this dot confirmation, dot that silver trend signal, okay, and this indicator trend line showing red color is starting down, and there might be also showing the confirmation of sale. Look here, three confirmation. Watch my crosshair. Red dot, the trend line, and MACD. So it's time to sell, and look how much pips. Okay, next one. Let me show you how we buy, and it is not visible I think, but here is. Look here. This is there here. Here is little dot showing with not appearing on this chart. Look here, silver trend signal. Okay, silver buy. Read this. Okay, that dot showing buy. Also here this point is showing buy. Okay, and also this point showing buy. Dot, green line, and MACD also showing the buy. Look here, and this buy how many pips? Look here. Let me get the MACD. Okay, now one more signal of shade. Dot, red line, and look here. Must be also confirm that my heat is going down. Okay, let me open the 75. Look here. That alert is showing that my heat is going to buy. Okay, no, will not buy. Let me focus on show you the thing. Look here. Market start buy from this level. Dot, MACD, and it started buy. And look how many pips is still in buy. Look here. Once you enter in market, simply okay, you enter for buy trade. Look here. You enter a buy trade from this level. You have to set that previous low your stop loss and step by step move your SL in TP and you will make awesome more of it using the system. Okay, let me show you the one more trade. Look this, very awesome sale signal. Look here, dot, red line, that must be also confirmed that market is going to down, and look how much it's. This is the power of our system. Look also this one, very awesome sale signal, red line, must be also in down, and look this sale pips, and look one more long term buy. This one time frame, dot, green line, RAM must be also rising up, enter, and look how it is. Okay, so boom 1000. Look here. Dot, RAM must be sale, look, RAM must be sale, trend line sale, dot, and now it is. Okay, let me show you one more of buy. Look, dot, green, must be also started green, and look how much like. You have to wait for, if you receive a buy signal, wait for this dot, wait for this green candle, and wait for RAM must be green. Once you receive a sell signal, wait for this dot, wait for this red candle, wait for RAM must be. First confirmation of dot, second confirmation of trend line, and third confirmation of RAM must be. Look here, red, 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 and look how much. This is the power of our system. Very, very easy. And look also here. Dot, red, and RAM must be also. How much is? Look this one. Let me show you the M1 time frame. Boom 500 and M1 time frame. Look here, in M1, people applying the strategies to catching spikes. And look here, RAM must be buy, silver trend buy, green line buy. How much is? Look this buy, and look this sale. RAM must be sale, dot of sale, RAM must be sale, sale trend line, and look how much. Again look, trend line, dot, RAM must be sale, and look how much. Buy scalp, look this, dot, buy, and we wait and confirm RAM must be here, and look here on. Let's see the boom 1000. Look here, this blue line was my trade of buy. I enter from this confirmation. Look, I place my trade here, RAM must be green, dot green, look here, trend line green, and look how much pips I select from this here. Look here, how many spikes. We exit from this level. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope all guys understand how our system works and what is this. If you still have any question, feel free to ask me. This combination of powerful indicators and some moving average based strategies, and you will kill the market using this system. So this is awesome trading system. So if you want to buy, so kindly inbox me on WhatsApp, on Telegram, on other social medias. I will respond and give you the system for price, no problem. I will give you your affordable price. There is no any fixed amount. But if you are not in my group, if you are not my YouTube channel subscriber, then price is $120 of this system. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care of your trading accounts.